It is hot today. It's over 110 degrees in my desert garden, which is why I am indoors. I have no plans to go outside and endure the stresses of the heat. But you know what? My plants don't have that option. They are stuck out in the sun and the heat. Thankfully, they look really pretty good today because of something I did last night. And I want to tell you what that is. My name is Noelle Johnson, also known as AZ Plant Lady, and I am a horticulturist, landscape consultant, and author, and I help people create beautiful outdoor spaces in the desert. So here's my tip for you. When we are having a period of time where you have 3 to 4 days coming up where temperatures are over 110, you want to give your plants an extra drink of water in the evening. So every 3 to 4 days, I will give my plants, I will turn on my irrigation for an hour and a half to give them a nice deep drink of water and kind of fill up their tank to help them then handle the stress for the next 3 or 4 days when temperatures are higher than normal. And we do it in the evening or night and not in the day, because all of a plant's resources during the day go toward just managing the heat stress that they are under. And so they can't uptake water efficiently if you are watering them in the middle of the day. So go out, turn on your irrigation system for an extra hour and a half at night. So I do this for trees, shrubs, ground covers, and vines. And it does make a difference. I can see it today. And thankfully the temperatures are going to pass in the next couple days, so I don't need to do it again. But I hope this tip is helpful to you. It's a really useful strategy. And if you think someone else can use this strategy, please feel free to share this with them. And I'll be back with more heat strategies to help your plants get through the summer.